So reading through this situation here, right, you'll appreciate then that Lois, when she goes to exchange her money, she takes £350 in cash with her, okay? And she's not going to spend more, right? She just says here, does not intend to spend more than £350. So that's all she's got, essentially, okay? So question is then, well, how much dirham is she going to be able to gain from £350 by exchanging? So if we start off with £350 and we use the exchange rate, then £1 buys 5.48 dirham, okay, when you go in on holiday, okay? So if I times that by 5.48, I get, so my calculator, I get 1918 dirham, right? However, if you notice that the exchange bureau, right, doesn't have coins, yeah? These are the notes that they've got, okay? That's it. They've got no coins. So they can't actually give her that, can't they? They can't give her that. So we've got to think then, well, what could they give her? Well, they could round it up, okay, to 1920. The trouble is, if they round it up, that means she's got to pay a little bit more. Because if she's having a bit more dirham, she's got to pay a bit more in terms of pounds. So what they're going to have to do is they're going to have to round it down, okay? So we could say she will receive 1915 dirham, okay? And that makes sense, doesn't it? Because they have got 5 dirham notes, okay? So we can round it down. So she's paying a little bit less than 350, okay? But that's the better situation rather than rounding it up, because she can't afford to pay any more. Okay, so what I'll do then is, how much is this going to cost her? Well, she's not getting as much as this now, she's only going to get this. So I need to then divide, okay, by the exchange rate there, to see what that comes to. It's 1915 divided by 5.48, and it comes to £349.45, right, when I round that there to 2 decimal places. It says give your answer to the nearest penny, doesn't it? To 2 decimal places, that's what it comes out to be. So how much will Lewis have left from her £350 after buying the dirham? Give your answer correct to the nearest penny. Well, if you think about it, it won't be much on it. She'll receive 55 pence change, yeah, from her £350. Okay, 55 pence change. Okay, so part 2 then, it says, can he exchange £1,000 for dirham? He then cancelled his holiday and exchanged all his money back into pounds. How much did Kenny lose? Well, of course, if you have 1,000, okay, it will, what will that get you? That will be 5.48, the exchange rate, yeah. So we're going to do 1,000 times 5.48, okay, and excuse me, that comes to 5480 dirham. Okay, but then this holiday is cancelled, so you've got to change it back. Now when we change it back, we've got to use this exchange rate, a different exchange rate, because it's when you sell back, essentially you're going to give back the dirham notes and they're going to give you pounds, so it's a different exchange rate. So when you change it back then, we're going to divide this 5480 but by the other exchange rate, so the selling back exchange rate, 5.52, and that comes to 900 in pounds and £992.75 pence rounded. Okay, so he has lost something, isn't he? So in terms of how much he's lost, well, we've just got to take that away from £1,000. Okay, so we'll check that on our calculator, and it comes to £7.25. Okay, that's how much he's lost.